Well, good morning from Dynodaze, and as you can see, we've got a Cosmic Grey EP3 in the house for tuning today on an ECU exchange. So we're going to get it up on the dyno, do a stock power run, and go from there. Let's get on with it. Okay, so she's up on the dyno and our Jensen is strapping her. Got some modifications which we'll talk about a bit later on. That's an interesting rocker cover, I do like that. But yeah, EP3, we're going to do a stock power run, ECU exchange. Yeah, I love a Cosmic Grey EP3. What do you reckon, Jeno?
Yeah.
Best colour?
I don't know if it's the best. I don't know if it's the best.
It is. It's the best.
No, I like the white.
Oh, well, yeah, okay. I mean, everyone likes chab white sort of colour, don't they? But I do love a Cosmic Grey. In fact, at this early stage of the video, I'm saying code word below Cosmic Grey EP3.
Ahead of yourself there.
I know, yeah, but it's interaction, my friend. These guys know that I love Cosmic Grey. Okay, so initial power run, as you can see, and we're starting with a figure of all the little ducks, 222. So ECU exchange, now that we've done a shakedown and made sure that it's all right, and it's time for Richard to work his magic.
Monday morning. Back again. It's like it comes around every week, isn't it?
Every single week.
Well, we've got a nice little track day ready EP3, that's for sure. A nice little occasion, painted lovely yellow. Or maybe yellow. Green. Is it green?
It's like a very... Yeah, it's like a lime green.
Like a lime green. But, yeah, so anyway, I got slightly off topic there, didn't it? Yeah, lovely grey EP3. Got some nice mods. Got a 4-to-1 Decat manifold. It's got a Tegiwa 70mm exhaust. It's got the AEM induction kit, which is a bit of a letdown, I think. I think that's what's cost us a little bit of power today.
I think it's a K&N Typhoon, you know.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know, the red thing.
Oh, there you go then. That's why I thought it was the AEM one.
You'd definitely make more power with the Dynodaze induction kit, wouldn't it?
Yeah, for sure.
Available on the website.
Would obviously improve. To be honest, I think most induction kits would improve over that. Let's be honest.
Over this K&N
Over the K&N thing, yeah, for sure. On stock inlet manifold, so obviously, again, 230 is really max that you would expect to see. We finished on 226 today. That's where we finished. We made some good gains in the mid-range.
Yeah.
We've made gains, you know, across the top of the original graph, but be it not too big. And then we obviously extended the rev range. We sort of managed to hold power till the end. Yeah, I think a better induction kit, I think we would have saw the 230 today. And then obviously if this car wants to move forward, it's really inlet manifold, a good induction kit, and probably cams or whatever to keep moving forward.
This is a nice colour. I bet Uncle Keith could paint something as lovely as this, because the rocker cover you see on this car's this lime green colour, and Uncle Keith's doing a lot of rocker covers at the moment. So if anybody fancies a nice lime green rocker cover, you give us a shout.
Yeah, I mean, basically we can, from the paint shop side of things, we can paint anything. So it's not just cars necessarily. Obviously, if you want a rock cover doing, or you've got some bits of trim that you want doing,
or you want your garden table painting.
Yeah, well, whatever at this point. No, not really. But yeah, I mean, generally we can pretty much paint anything. We did get asked to do a bike frame the other day as well.
BMX?
Yeah, like a BMX type thing. So I said, yeah, we can do that for sure.
Sweet.
So pretty much anything in the paint shop.
Yeah, this has got a, sorry, back to, this has got a 4-to-1 manifold, Japspeed 4-to-1, and a Tegiwa 70mm, hasn't it?
Oh yeah, I already said that.
Oh, it's Monday.
It's Monday. Yeah.
It's Monday.
Ugh.
Can I just sit in this car for a bit?
No, I think we should have a look at this graph.
Let's have a look at the graph. Okay, so red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. So we've brought down the vtec point somewhat, extended the rev range, made loads of power in the mid-range, as you can see. And we finish on 226, which is 187 at the wheels. Said earlier, code word Cosmic Grey. Just love a Cosmic Grey EP3. And we'll see you all on the next one, won't we, Rich? Indeed. We will indeed. Look at Jano's calf muscle.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.